On the part of the UAAP, I mean, kasi just like any, of course, this is a very tragic incident, no? But first, unang-una, the Ateneo requested for privacy and space, no? That's very important. But of course, something tragic happened. But I don't think it's prudent right now to rush. And besides, may initially, ang first line na namin is really through the representatives, no? To hear their side. May protocol kaming sinusunod eh. Pag hindi masaya, then that's the time we take action. But for now, because of the sensitivity of the issue, the requested space, ito muna kung saan kami nakalugar internally UAP, ano ba ang pwede nating gawin, organizational muna kung if possible, and again aligning with the PSC, with their efforts and all our resources and our collective minds. Hopefully we can have a just solution to this very tragic incident.
You have the power to prevent it.
UAP. Well, I know this sounds but technically prevented him suspended kasi immediate yan eh. But right now, I know this sounds but wala namang basketball eh. So there's nothing to suspend initially, no? So whatever preventive suspension, I don't know whether or not their institution will do that. It's really based on their prerogative. So insofar as we're concerned, the season, the basketball season for that matter, has not begun. We go where the evidence leads. We are now in the process of gathering information, waiting for official reports that have been undergoing, no, and I believe Ateneo has already made a statement as well. Page 2 of their June 9, 2026 statement, that they have cooperated with the NBI and CIDG. So kailangan po yung mga reports yan. Even as kanina, we're very careful when organizing, ano bang pwede natin gawin? Hindi tayo experts dito. Wala pang Ateneo. So we cannot pass on judgment this early. Okay, not to trivialize what happened, but again, elementary due process states that everyone should be heard. And the expertise of each agency should be considered. So, not to pass judgment also.
I know you're very careful right now, pero wala pa tayong nakikita possible sanctions talaga. Sundutan ko lang yung tanong ni Kuya Mark Salazar. Sanctions for Coach Balke.
Again, no, we have to go where the evidence leads. So, wala pa. Kasi pati yung preventive suspension, may mga purpose. It's not actually a penalty. It's not a sanction. It is a preventive measure, no, to destroy administratively, is to para wag maapektuhan yung witnesses or to destroy evidence. But insofar as the UAP is concerned, wala naman siyang access to any UAP record and there's no one to influence in the board. So yung preventive suspension is maybe entirely up to the member school, no?